Good morning, Tube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Saturday, guys. Saturday, I call this grind day. You know what that means? That means it's the best day for grinding. If you guys aren't up this morning, guys, damn. Let's get started.
Every day is no end, since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
Guys, if you guys ain't up this morning, if you guys ain't up on Saturday morning early, bright and early, you know what that means? That means you stayed out too late on Friday. You gotta be home early on Saturday, on Friday night. That way you guys get up early. This is an early man's game. If you find yourself staying out late nights, I know. You guys are young. You guys are young cats. You can't be staying home. But you remember this. Every night that you go out and spend all kinds of money at the club and dropping money and popping bottles and all that crap, every night you guys do that, you're just setting yourself behind. That's not allowing yourself to progress. And the reason being is because you're not going to be prepared the next day. You know what I mean? You're not going to be prepared the way you should be prepared. So those days are lacking. So those days are you're already behind because you spent all kinds of money the night before. Think about that. So the next day you got to go grind to try to make that money back, put it back in your pocket. If you would have stayed home, got up early, be at the shop. It's only 7:20 right now. I'm already going to be at the shop. It's time to make some money, guys. This is what it's like. This is what it's got to be like. So prepare yourself, motivate yourself, get up early, guys. Get up early. This is an early man's game. All right, today's Saturday. I'm headed to the shop. We're going to be short one person, so I should have about 5 barbers, but I expect it to be nice and busy today and tomorrow. 2 more days of work, and then Monday I'm headed to the barber battle at the IC MLB barber battle. Taking you guys with me. I want you guys to experience going to a barber battle. Guys, if you guys don't go to barber battles, it's okay. You know, it's not for everybody. You don't have to compete. You don't have to battle. But I suggest you guys go and check it out. Go to hair shows. Go to do the classes. The educational classes at these places are phenomenal. You know, like I recently started doing the educational classes after so many years of, you know, not want to call myself ignorant to the system, but it just like not wanting to be thinking that I knew, not thinking that I knew, because I think I've considered myself pretty humble, but I've always, just like, I don't need to take a class. No, but now I want to take every class. I want to do that. I want to take classes because I want to educate myself. I want to know more about my industry. I want to know everything about my industry. But with that, I'm already here at the shop. I'm gonna get started on this day, and we'll go from there, guys. I hope you guys are grinding. You guys have a great day and grind on. See you guys in a little bit. So right now it's about noon. We've been slam busy today at the shop. Slam busy. We're missing one barber, but got a day off, so it's okay. But we've been slammed. It's been just one after the other. I've had about 3 appointments, but just walk-ins in between that are just waiting for me. So, it is what it is. We grind on. That's what we do. So tomorrow I'm gonna for tomorrow's segment I'm planning on bringing my my barber tool case to work, because tomorrow's my last day of work before the competition on Monday. So tomorrow I'm going to bring my barber case with me, and I'm going to show you what you need to take in case you ever go for a battle. So I'm going to show you guys that tomorrow. So right now I'm going to the supermarket, pick up some buns, because I'm going to treat the boys to some of the meat that I made yesterday for the baby shower. Grab them a little spot. So I'm going to go get some buns so we can eat at the shop. Some lunch for them. So go ahead back, finish this day off strong. Catch you guys on the grind. have an appointment, and it's a double appointment at that. A double, 2 people, and then they don't show up. And then the guy that's sitting there waiting for you, you tell him, hey, bro, I got a double appointment coming in. I'm going to have to hike them first. And he gets upset and he leaves. And then your double appointment don't even show up. Fucking pisses me off. Excuse my French. So that's it for today, guys. Saturday's finally over, man. It was slam busy today. I don't know about you guys. Excuse me. But today was crazy busy here. But then again, one of the guys left early. One of the guys didn't show up. Another guy left early. So in the end, I ended up having to stay and finish them off. It was a good day on the box, though. I mean, you can't complain when you're doing good. So it is what it is. Super burned out. Going home, relax now. Tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow's you know how my schedule is, guys. If you guys don't know, on Sundays my mom goes to the swap meet. My jefita goes to the swap meet, and she's still a swap meter. She has her own spot at the swap meet, so I go and set her up every Sunday, and then get her ready for the day, and then from there I skate over here, because the swap meet's only down the street from my shop. So I get down here, do my from 8 to 1, and then at 1 o'clock I'll leave here and I'll go back and pick her up, and then take her home. But right now she's not staying at the house. Right now she's moved out, so she's staying at my brother's house in Rialto, which is probably about 45 minutes from here. But in the morning she'll meet me at the swap meet, and then I'll still hook her up, and then after that she'll probably go back. So I gotta figure out a game plan for my home, because since insurance is not gonna cover, I'm gonna appeal it. Don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna go down easy. I'm gonna appeal this shit, but even then, I still gotta fix my home. I gotta get it back into living condition so my family can get back in there. It is what it is. I don't even want to talk about that shit, But yeah, so tomorrow I help out moms at the swap meet, get her ready in the morning, then come here, finish my day off, and then I'm gonna go back and pick her up, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make my video. Tomorrow's video is gonna be on my packing of my barber case for the Monday, for the Monday barber battle. As you guys already know, because I've been telling you guys, I'm gonna battle in this Monday is a battle at IC MLB, the MLB Major League Barbers. That's what they're called, MLB Major League Barbers. Their event. It's pretty awesome, dude. It's pretty awesome. I've been doing it already for 3 years. I love it. You know what? Some people ask me. Some people are asking me, like, why do you battle? Why do you battle? Like, I don't know. I battle because I like to battle. It's fun. It's fun. It's a good time. I haven't got anything the last 2 years, but you know what? I keep going back and just networking with other barbers. And this year I got some cards made up. I'm gonna pass them out. Try to push my YouTube channel. Try to escalate it to another level. I'm down. I'm always down. I'm down to grow this thing. I'm down. So at the barber battle, it should be interesting. I know this time around. If you guys haven't seen, I have a vlog from last year's barber battle, and I actually have a video that I made from 2 years barber battle ago when my daughter won, which is, they're pretty cool videos. At that time I wasn't really vlogging, but it was just kind of the start of the whole thing. So, but last year's, I'm pretty sure last year at the barber battle, I vlogged a little bit, and it was, I think it's about this time last year when I started vlogging. So I'm at that 1 year point where 1 year anniversary of that I started vlogging. So, I'm gonna take you guys with me on Monday, and it's interesting. It's interesting. If you guys don't battle, I suggest you guys go to these things, because there's always a lot of it's good time to meet other people in our industry and just talk about what we do, and just to network, get to know other barbers and know other people in our industry. I always like meeting other barbers. So if you guys are gonna go to the IC in Long Beach, if you guys see me there, tell me what's up, man. I'm always down to meet everybody. Remember that. With that being said, guys, that's it for tonight. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I hope you guys are subscribed. If you guys aren't subscribed, I suggest you guys join the team. Subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time that I make a new video. With that being said, guys, you have a blessed night. Good night, and I'll see you guys mañana.